Hi, my name is Shane. I'm a contractor with KC Roofing. I am out here at Douglas Pryor's property getting ready to do a attempted repair on the roof. Some of the things that we are going to be looking for is matting transfer, creasing of the shingles, excessive granule loss, and nail pull-throughs. In order to remove this shingle right here, I have to remove the shingles, or the nails from the shingles, two shingles above it. While doing this, I am going to make sure that I am extra careful not to cause any further damage. With doing that, we are going to go ahead and get into this repair. Already got a little rip of the shingle right there. I mean, this thing's pretty brittle. Another rip of the shingle right here. Came back with. It is the CertainTeed XT25 Moray Black. So after we do this repair, we are going to show the difference in the colors as well. Alright, right here we got a nail pull through right here. I mean, you can just see that that's just ripped right off. Another nail pull through right there. Another nail pull through. The shingle just ripped right here. All four nails pulled through on the shingle. Trying not to lift the shingles up as little as possible, but I gotta do it just to be able to see where the nails are at. Another nail pulled through. And another one pulled through. So we got the shingle free. As you can see right here, just by trying to attempt this repair, the shingle ripped right here. I mean, these things are brittle as brittle could be. We got the new shingle that RLS says is a match. Dive this baby up in there. Cat nails, thank you. We got a little bit of creasing from that one right there. Shingle just ripped. Being as gentle as possible, and this shingle will literally just rip trying to lift it up to get a nail driven in there. All right, gently wiping off the shingles after we get this shingle installed. As you can see right here, we have this shingle damaged, multiple shingles with nail pull throughs. The roof is 3 layers as well. It is against code to make any repairs on a 3-layer roof, 2 layers or more. So it's my professional opinion that this roof is absolutely unrepairable. If we made any repairs, it's going against the Ohio code. So definitely need a full roof replacement on this one. Thank you.